Ever feel like you're doing okay on the outside, but deep down you always keep doubting yourself? No matter how much you achieve, there is this tiny voice whispering, I'm not good enough. I have been there, and today I'm going to share with you 3 simple mindset shifts that help me feel more confident from inside out. Not fake it till you make it, not just be positive. These shifts will rewire your brain for confidence in a way that it actually lasts. Hi, I'm Pratima. Welcome to my channel. I used to think confidence comes from being smart, that the more you knew, the more confident you would feel. But I have seen brilliant people stay quiet in meetings just because they doubted themselves, and others with way less knowledge speak up with ease and get ahead. That's when I realized confidence isn't about what you know, it's about what you believe about yourself. Confident people always believe in themselves, even if they don't know everything. They trust that they can learn things and work stuff out. So, today, let's dive into 3 simple yet powerful shifts that will help you gain this quiet confidence. Number 1, shift your inner voice. A friend texted me last week saying, I'm such a failure, I messed up again. She's smart, hardworking, kind, but this is her default thought. So I asked her, will you tell me the same thing, that I am such a failure if I fail? She said, of course not. Exactly. So why do we speak to ourselves like that? Here's a small but powerful shift. When that voice in your head says, I'm not enough, pause and speak to yourself like you would speak to a friend. If your thought is, I'm such a failure, try, I'm learning, it's okay to take time. I've figured things out before and I can try again. That's where real confidence begins, with the way you talk to yourself. Number 2, give your brain proof. Telling yourself positive things is great, but your brain also needs evidence. It wants proof that you're capable, that you're growing, and you're not stuck as you think. And the good news? You already have that proof. You just need to notice it. Start by writing about these 3 things first. Number 1, what are your top 3 accomplishments in your life that you're extremely proud of and why? Number 2, what is that one quality in you that you're truly grateful for? And number 3, what are your top 3 strengths that you admire the most? I have created a list of 15 such prompts to improve your self-confidence. If you're somebody interested in journaling, you can download them. The link is in the description below completely for free. Then every night, take a book and write down 3 small wins of the day. Doesn't matter how tiny they are. Maybe you just replied to somebody, you made your bed, or got through a rough moment. When your brain sees these quiet wins every day, it slowly starts to trust you. It begins to say, maybe I can handle more than I think. Before we move on to the third and my most favorite tip, if you have found value in this video till now, please like and subscribe to this channel. Number 3, use affirmations to rewire your inner voice. Before you zone out when I say affirmations, hear me out. Affirmations aren't about blindly being positive. They are about training your brain to believe in you. Your brain doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. If you keep saying, I'm not good enough again and again, your brain takes it as a fact and starts looking for proof. But if you start saying things like, I'm learning, or I have handled hard things before, and you say it consistently, your brain begins to believe that too. That's how you slowly rewire your inner voice. Say the affirmation, then take one small action to match it. For example, if you say, I'm learning to trust myself, make one decision without asking 5 people advice about it. Tiny actions like these send a powerful signal to your brain. That's how belief systems are built. One thought at a time, one step at a time. And if you want to take this work a little deeper, you can check out Thinklebuds. That's the journaling brand that I run. We've got affirmation cards that were originally made for kids, but honestly, I use them too. They are simple, calming, and a great way to build self-belief one thought at a time. I've added the link below if you want to take a look. And let me know in the comments which of these mindset shifts are you going to try first. Because confidence isn't something you magically get, it's something you practice one quiet step at a time.